Hello everyone. I haven't posted a video in a while, but um, just wanted to show my new scrap truck I got. Crashed my other F-250. Another $9,000 worth of damage. We'll have it back here in about 2 or 3 weeks. It's been about a month now. So I bought this 2013 F-150. It's a 5.0 V8. Had about 130,000 miles, 135,000 actually. And it's a heavy duty towing package, 2-wheel drive with the locking rear and 355 gears. But I loaded it up with a bunch of appliances for the scrapyard tomorrow. As you see, I got a bunch of stuff in there. There's 4 washing machines, 5 washing machines, a stove, a dishwasher, and this ugly thing here is a smelly refrigerator. And then I have my little trailer on, my 6x10 Belmont, with just a bunch of random stuff. There's a stove on there, some lawnmowers, and a bunch of chairs, a filing cabinet, barbecue grill. But as you can see, this is my Sunday setup. Going to the scrapyard tomorrow. Scrap prices have been up pretty good, so I've been doing my best to bring as much in as I can while the price is good. See, I got all my chains hooked up right. Yeah, this truck's got the Load Range E tires on it, so you know it's the heavier payload package. And it says in the door sticker that that's what tires it belongs on it. But you can see there's with some stuff in the back and the trailer. We got quite a bit of squat here, so I ordered a set of sumo springs, which I have on my other 250. If you don't know what those are, they're rubber joust. You take your bumper off, joust bumper off, and it goes in between that that bumper, in between the axle, and it puts the pressure, instead of being on the leaf springs, it puts it on the middle part of the axle, which is the strongest part. So it takes a lot of pressure off your springs and your leaf spring shackles, I would say. Yeah. So, but I'll be putting them on. I'll be getting those Monday. And just to show you the truck. The sun's kind of bad right there. But this truck you could see right here. It's 1,897 pounds payload. And you can see the tires. 245/75 17 Load Range E. And the tag here being a 7,500 gross vehicle weight. Axle rating is L9, so it's the locking differential. But yeah, this will be my new scrap rig for a while until I get my old truck back. Ooh. But got it in the school bus yellow or the PennDOT yellow, whatever you want to call it. I've also heard people calling it Big Bird or SpongeBob, but yeah, just wanted to post another video. You guys started following me for scrap and everything, and people on my Facebook that I post videos on for. So yeah, so we're gonna post in the comments, what do you think the weight of all this stuff is? All the scrap metal. So you got all the appliances in the back. Then you got all this random crap here. There's a stove, some chairs, a filing cabinet, a water heater in there. Some fencing. It's not really that heavy, but I mean, there's an ironing board, if anybody knows what an ironing board is anymore. But inside there's some bed frames and some fence posts and stuff. So leave a comment what you think it is, because I don't think anybody's going to actually know exactly what it is. I have an idea. And if I had to guess, I would say 2,600 pounds. So 2,600 pounds, what do you think it'll actually pay? That's the next thing. 2,600. If it's 2,600 pounds, I say I should make $230. It's gonna be less than that, but let's see whatever everybody else thinks. But yeah, That's it. I'll see you guys later.